Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbauchelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. We have a lot of amps in for repair, and I'm going through them as quickly as I can. And I do not skip over any step. I'm very thorough. So here we have another Al-80b. Let me go through it and get everything done. So needs new caps. There's the old arrow ones, so he wants to replace the caps. The resistors, there's the pink ones, so swap those out. If it was only the pink resistors, I would just change the resistors, but these older arrow caps are really old and they're prone to failing. So I change the SO239s and go through the rest of it. Do all the updates. He wants the grid overload board taken out. It's not needed. Just another thing that can end up failing. So I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. I just want to show it real quick, but the Parasitic suppressor resistor was blown open, so I'm going to swap it out and get back to work. I'll go over everything I did when I'm all done. See you soon. Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Here's one of my business cards. Not really buying too much stuff nowadays, but I made this years ago. That's from over 10 years ago. So, amp's all set. There's some of the old parts. Broken Parasitic suppressor resistor. I put a brand new Allen Bradley 100 ohm 2 watt carbon comp in. The old meter lamps, one of the old pink resistors, old filter caps. I have to clean my bench off again. Okay, so I'm going to go over everything real quick. I'm going to post this and go to bed. So, grounded the grids right to the metal, added a gas discharge tube, one per side of the filament, base of the socket, tightened up on the hardware for the air variable caps, inspected the plate side. No damage to the edges of the plates. Arced between the plates, but nothing major. Cleaned it with denatured alcohol, but again, no damage to the edges. That's what really matters. So there's the Parasitic suppressor. Clean the input and output rotary switches with deoxide gold. Does not have the metal oxide varistors, so I did not have to remove those. Brand new SO239 connectors from Max Gain Systems. Awesome people over there, great people. Great service. So I put the proper jumper in. I had a piece of wire tagged on the top of the pads. The old wires were clipped and still in the holes, so I cleaned the other two holes out. It's a double-sided board, so there's a connection on both sides. So everything's soldered nice. Check the series glitch resistors. They look good. The soft start resistor looks good. Brand new bleeder resistor / equalization resistors. Brand new filter caps. Let's see what else. Oh, it had it's wired for 240 and it had 20 amp fuses. Big no-no. I don't turn anything on until I check the fuses. When you wire one of these for 240, you want to put 10 amp fuses in. So if he had a hard short at some point, there would have been a good chance that he would have taken out the transformer. So just always make sure it has the proper fuses rated for the proper voltage, and you want the proper type. You know, this requires fast flow fuses. So again, if it's wired for 240, 10 amp fuses. Wired for 120, then 20 amp fuses. So I cleaned up those solder globs. This green wire just would attach to just a circle trace on the board. Doesn't do anything. It's not connected electrically to anything. So I clipped off the lead and folded it over and put heat shrink on it and zip tied it. And I resoldered the other secondary lead to the board. Not a huge solder glob anymore. You always want to keep these secondary leads away from the B positive. I've seen where it's like pushed right up against it. Also keep them away from the rectifier diodes. Okay. I also cleaned the TR relay / bias relay with the OxyGold and the soft start relay with the OxyGold. So that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Where's my card again? I don't see too many people in person, so I have boxes of them. But if you need an amp repaired that you see on my channel, feel free to give me a call. And check out my other website, harbackelectronics.com. I get parts shipped out within a business day, 99.99% of the time. If for some reason I have a crazy order and I run out of certain things, then I have stuff on order, so it's always within another, usually within 2 business days at that point. So, but I always call the customer, let them know. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'll be finishing up on that SB220. The new air variable cap showed up today, and then I'll probably be cracking open another SB220. So I have 3 SB220s here. One's in a box, one was to drop off, and 2 more. I've picked up 3 amps today, so I think the other 2 in the boxes are Ameritrons. I just lose track, but I get things done quick, and as you can see, very thorough. Same thing over and over. And customer got a video of this working on one band of his choice. So have a great night. I'm going to bed after this. So 73. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. 73.